Hello, my name is Enrique, and today I want to share my journey with you. A journey of overcoming mental health issues and alcoholism. During the height of the pandemic 4 years ago, I hit rock bottom. I found accountability and ultimately discovered a path to healing and growth. This story is deeply personal, but I believe by sharing it, I can help others who are struggling and contribute to a more compassionate and understanding society. Mental health issues, depression, and alcoholism have been a part of my life for as long as I can remember. They run in my family, and I've seen firsthand the devastating impact they can have. My brother, who was a few years older than me, struggled with depression and alcoholism and tragically passed away because of these issues. Throughout my life, I have faced these same challenges. Despite these struggles, I've also achieved many things that I'm very proud of. I opened my own business, taught at-risk youth, became an educator, acquired a director's position at a national organization, and led organizing efforts that helped elect Tony Evers as our governor and remove Scott Walker from office. But in 2020, my mental health and depression spiraled out of control and led me to unhealthy coping mechanisms, leading me deeper into alcoholism. It all came to a head when I got a DUI. That moment was my rock bottom. It was a wake-up call. It was through accountability and addressing these issues that I was facing that I began to turn my life around. I found support in various therapeutic approaches. I joined healthy support groups and connected with a supportive community. Meeting with this community at least 4 times a week provided me with the strength and encouragement I needed. I also adopted healthy self-care practices and dedicated myself to learning more about mental health. Regular exercise became a cornerstone of my recovery. I started going to the gym 3 to 6 times a week, gaining significant muscle, and continued to live a balanced lifestyle. I am now committed to continuing my growth. I plan to be an advocate for men dealing with similar issues. It's alarming that only 1/3 of men diagnosed with mental health disorder receive treatment. Approximately 19.2 million men in the US are living with an undiagnosed mental health disorder. Suicide is a significant risk for those with untreated mental health disorder. This is a heartbreaking statistic that underscores the urgency needed for better mental health support, reduce stigma, and increase access to care. It's crucial to address stigma, improve access to mental health care, and encourage men to seek help. Sharing my story is one way I hope to raise awareness, reduce stigma, and help normalize the conversation about mental health. By doing so, we can influence policy changes that increase funding for mental health services and expand access to care. Mental health and alcoholism have destroyed families, and by addressing these issues, we can help create a more stable and supportive family environments. Empathy towards those who have experienced mental health issues is essential for creating a supportive, inclusive, and compassionate society. It acknowledges the complexities of mental health, promotes recovery, and strengthens communities. By choosing empathy over judgment, we can help reduce stigma, support healing, and contribute to a culture of care and understanding. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it inspires you to support those around you who may be struggling. Together we can create a healthier and more empathetic world.